To show you the 2018 1500. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, radio data system. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Come see the car for yourself.